People ask, what is the best well water filtration system? It all depends on your test results. The best thing to do, get your water tested, and then contact us with the test results. People ask, what is the one thing I need to do before I buy any water filtration system? You need to get your water tested, get the results, and give us a call. People ask, what is the basic system every well water system needs? The first thing we usually recommend installing after the pressure tank is a large capacity sediment filter. People ask, my water leaves orangey rust stains. What do I need for that? Typically, once you get your water tested, we're probably going to find out you have iron in the water supply, and we would usually recommend a designated iron filter like our Katalox light system. People call and say, my water smells like rotten eggs. How do I fix that? Basically, we would install a 2.5 cubic foot or a 1.5 cubic foot air-injected Katalox light system. People call and ask, I have blue-green stains and pinhole leaks in my copper plumbing. What is going on? Basically, you have acid water. You need to get your water tested, find out the level, and then we can recommend the right size acid neutralizer for your water system. People call and ask, I get sand and grit in my fixtures, clogging the washing machine line. What do I need? Basically, you need to install a large capacity sediment filter after the pressure tank and before any other water treatment systems. People call and ask, my test came back positive for coliform bacteria. What do I need? You need to install a UV light which mounts to the wall, and that will kill 99.9% of the bacteria. You also need to test for hardness and iron in the water because those have to be removed before you can run the water through the UV light system. People ask, if I have several or all of those problems, what order do the systems get installed in? Well, typically if you have acid water, neutralizer first. If you have iron in the water, iron filter second. If you have hardness in the water, softener goes third. And if bacteria is there as well, that will go last. If you need to contact me directly, you can text me at 443-277-2204. You can use our online chat, www.midatlanticwater.net, or give us a call at 800-460-5810. We're open from Monday through Sunday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.